we're welcoming Billy Boyle.
Billy Boyle.
Right now. Billy Boyle, to the microphone.
Sometimes I sing love songs. This is nothing like a love song. They said the house was haunted. It was scary, big and dark. So we slipped in through a window for a dare, a bit of a lark. Through empty rooms we searched around. Nothing was putting us off. Nothing to find. Nobody there till we heard this fire cough. Fire cough, we heard it down an empty, darkened hall. A fire cough, a wheeze and a sniff for nobody there at all. The fire cough froze us for a second, then we took off. We weren't going to stay. We weren't going to play with a ghostly fire cough. Many years later, I'm in the Mekong Delta. It's such a bloody farce. We're looking for the Viet Cong. Got mud up to my ass. We're wading through the mangroves when I hear the sergeant growl. Private Boyle, go and recce that far canal. Far canal, I muttered. Come on, Sarge, not me. There's booby traps and mines in there. Impossible to see. Far canal, I muttered, throwing him a scowl. If he wants to know, he should go to that far canal. Everybody wanted tickets, so we all formed into lines. Outside the ticket boxes, we all obeyed the signs. Hours and hours we waited, till an official shouts, "Hey, all of you! You got to move yourselves down over there to the end of that far queue." "Far queue," I shouted. "You must be kidding, mate. That far queue mob came after us. Let those bastards wait." "Far queue," I shouted. "You know what you could do? Nothing doing. We're not moving to that far queue."